Yasaba Edamu ina mase ye toa ye common so e wa na se migidi so so crowd say also o hwe na wati na afi o so afemu e adwene ma men ka o say ye do bra ne penfo bedi nkomo akwanye be ma na o so watimi age bra na o so watimi afra kire wa adwene na me adma 16th of this very month National Theatre Marefi the Passion Night idea ye be catch this time we you be kasa for betrayal in the form of a year. You just love it. In your Dr. Like in Van Vika, Mone Salinkomu, you know, Ba Abedi said Jumain, I'm a Bibiako Kama Ediama. On Nature's Mamenka say, I jump to Phobity say, Pa Thomas episode and of a joyous blessing and Subawasi, Edding Komo Kama Kama, I'm a Bibiako Kama Eddie, amount to share so. And make a date on the 16th of April, National Theatre, 5 p.m. Ticket in Ottawa. The TNA, what tono, 1 to 4 p.m. No, you're free health screening and sound what me a room. Wapon would do some manager sim here, Kasiapa and Farmer. 50 cities and 80 cities. Standard 50, VIP 80 cities. It's a show. Na Timmy Bakaya Hona in Yenkushia. Whilst we're having fun, we'll be networking as well. And we'll be also enjoying and learning a lot of things. Now, memfa winsu intwem quickly emfa maw asori ma mo true faith. Mr. Monta Mosuna Munti teach mo amu sunyane no mo sofo panyin ni nuanom Festus mo wona maame ana eda for me. Tijame adma enne ya wo day 13th of April e wo ko twinrase a honor 1 week observation and a celebration ekosuma the late Asnet Beatrice Ampedu Chiriwa donor friend Auntie B inti true faith as a former teacher mo amwo sunyane no sunyane domasti o sunyane chira mu ba ko fanchemi mo share no so na mo koka osofo first of paying ho na mo fa mo ni chire ko twinrase 1 week na fe monkohwe na ye maame 1 week ni bibia anko kama emfa emai the late Asnet Beatrice Ampeduchi wa sanso na Ghana Gas paying power dano Dr. Benasante Ghana Gas paying power no so dano Dr. Benasante ye ka say de oni Joansa Oyoko Royal clan no wono to nsafre se yemeka omho ebra onuaba wonderful on bibia elder sister so ma Dr. Benasante enuaba Mama Dora Efa onyame adoma na otwe wie wa Asante Mantem ana yekope ne krabia nti ne wo hihye ni ebekoso ewo Asokwa Presby Park Kumasi memenda we are Asokwa Presby Park Kumasi 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Adia yedi sisi hono tuntum na afi ne kwasi adare na asesom no Presby Church Joansa and also 8 a.m. na yede na asesom na ahihye so and also ye fita any tuntum ye to nsafre adofo nyina se wonomra na wono beta ebusuafo achi Joansa Oyoko Royal ebusuan achi wono beta Dr. Ben Asante, Chief Executive Officer, Ghana National Gas Company Limited. One better than Chinia paying in your late Mama Dora Ifa and that for me. We are back to studio. National Youth Organizer for the ruling New Patriotic Party, Salam Mustafa Atnasi. Sansuna in your Bema Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communications Officer, NDC. Ono so Atnasi. Komo ni Ghana komo. Na nko ni bepeja imu. Na afi ya koso akamfo ama ose. Koso share Adom TV. Ya onyema papa edibao. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Kaifa Halid?
Merci. Merci. So the round, how many days more? 10 or 9 days more? This is the danger zone where you receive all the things you want to receive.
They be rather, you were in the best period of the entire period of Ramadan.
Okay.
Usually, the last 10 days, no, the period we call the ninth of power. You say, Radi Emma special angel be Oba. Your friend Laylatul Qadr. And he comes, to take, supplications, dua, any bibia, and instantaneously, near Obisa Eradibia
at that time.
So at that time. So it's usually a very special period. We usually say prayers. Your friend Taraweeh, from late in the night to quite early in the morning. Just
that's an exercise.
Yes, just ensure say it's me, any eradication at that point. So the last 10 days is usually the best period of Ramadan.
Oh wow.
But prophet catch and say, "Oh, Timmy cut that potia." Angel naba.
So, 10 days
within the last 10 days.
You have to be very serious.
So
but when you say 10 days,
within the
10 days, more vigilance, more effort, more
prayers. Just a time that say we share we soon Kenya. Kenya soon mona uma mpaibo munya den. Ne nya ope free eradin chebia time na say we bomb papa. If you are lucky and that day obebano you are awake and we bomb paya then on your bishra.
I see. All right, so to all Muslims, wishing you well. And the last 10 days in the gym, yes, you are none of mother. You don't bomb paya any bisa for such a blessing to this country. Erica Kwaba.
Major Suminia. Napomo.
Oh, Nyamiadum, baby Iboko. Now also want to say.
Oh, Nyamiadum, baby Iboko.
Baby Namiko also.
Nyamiadum.
When people want to say.
Oh, I am Kanamoye.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah, Jumo, am I?
Yeah. Oh, hold on, no.
Yeah. My name call, I think, almost 3 weeks ago. Nah, my name in the car crowd, none of the family will feel na your call, and now your program, your constituency. Now, you're watching me, you know, as at now, second year, we have no connected year. I can't will be 5 chip compounds.
With the support of the government?
With the common fund and other funds, kakran na winya no. Akakakran we wie makomako enum. Ukokro ba akwan friend okokwa ehon so osidwa.
We chip compounds okay, enum no why we didn't
na meka nipa ba akon. Podre na ye pon de ma no. Akakakran we wie enum ni nyina. Na kro ba akon so teachers bungalow 4 bedrooms and also akakakran.
No yes can we.
Say you mu bi mu baby e free ba no kakra bi e de be maye no
so
yes it is all share the little no anya within 2 to 3 years na de ode aye na aban crash penny oti oyenim de ode ne chanke ne ya
mention catch no
oh me amecha no solo madam for no German of very minimum de oyo oh yeah
oka se onim de oyo wa ase je
yeah friend no me de na ma be ma bizanse den no
your friend say
Solomon the account na menkai oh German of na ye te akonwa so ye sampa kwan enkofu etu ya yampia sa ye sorry ye hwe ene nsu
sampa kwan ye den
oh say ye ntimi anwi eno moto ye ho sa obi wa sampa obetimi afrese na sampa krom tesen contractor currency obi the team one team
I see
but me chairman ya salam na the kind no so mention in cry aka 10 or 10 days 9 days say aka sana na
7 or 8
abofo betimi aba befa odumum no mama musuni moban honte momfa no kredie nya adwuma mama ni nimonim say alaji bawo mi oya committee no bi
pa
oh okay na me hwe ne wokwa because na me dwen wo pa so ye bia na wonka ho enti kakra aka idie
oh you Muslim why do you ask this question
o say baby na So what was say Oma obetimi you but e to da suni ban bi obede na di na kire se wo kura wanye bi anke. Nti na meka se na na aka ne de yesrem. So obofo onim de obeba de a na no per se mani na reflective with discussion na ye be you know.
I see. And the question I posed for invite you.
Yeah, I know. Omahini. The question police command. I'm an invitation. Say member Badwam in investigating an alleged breach of the military act. Say mashe atadebia and say mashe camouflage.
Soldier Fatadi and approach.
Almost soldier Fatadi. Yeah, the invitation me bring me sometime last week, but because of family emergency, me am call wa police command and amade bring me. Inti unra and a police command and a friend me say omo Accra inti omo ejumedie bi our national CID headquarters. Okay. So say I should avail myself. And I'm so I will avail myself because I didn't know already now my indication say I will honor the invitation inti I would be present near omo person bia na ya inti area we Meko Police CID national headquarters ho na me ni penyu for na ko share na nia aya me srewo asem no nyina mu no say mati say from me background information say NDC for no bi and aye petition say yen friend me so because NDC executives bi akwa camouflage e wo Kumasi abra former president John Dramani Mahama eye the campaign e wo Ashanti region inti omope perepeye inti yen frame me so but ne aye mesere e wo asem no nyina mu ni say o hwe atade abehye no ube hu say the embossment of atade label no e wo so a true religion atade I'm sure true religion there is designer shirt designer be friend true religion a true religion and designer ebo on the left breast side of the pocket and Osha said yes ya pamatade na any bibia say any military atade da because we ask akose soldier for atade ana bibi and even
but it is not for you to describe. I know the police no. It is not for you to describe.
My ejuma within a very secure environment. Inti mini soldier for any police for ayujuma pa.
But I'm still saying that it doesn't change the invitation.
It doesn't.
And don't think that the NDC, if that is the case, say Omoto Nsafro, even based on what the NDC suspects that it is a look-alike police uniform. Once you know, according to what you are saying, once you know it's a designer wear, maybe they will tell us that any designer wear that is close to that of a military uniform, me and Shebima. We have to comply. But you don't have to say that because NDC for pay. The truth is that Obi Bia Obesha Debia Mrano Susu say koye
but me on Facebook and that's the
but do you have a problem with that?
Post.
If you have a problem with it,
not at all. Anything my honor invitation.
So if you want to call for equity there, you have to come with
clean hands. And mini problem be police for more your major. Into me corner almost me fact I didn't me corner me pure cotton atade.
What's anyway?
Me call Upper West. Into not me
in your rounds.
Yes, me in my rounds. And then I'm share.
Okay.
So police command honor. I think omonya intel from Niamatino from headquarters say omo invited me. Yes. That I was in the region and me share a camouflage into omo friend me na evening kobo. And also no problem. I mean I don't have anything to hide and meaning pa say na enye military recruitment and I'm share into me the call na mini police for no as in Konya then ABCBR so I'm sure I would update the public But me, I say, I think the police and the military, they should tell us whether Obia intimidation Atadebia
close to them. Leave that for the police. They are inviting you based on a particular age. They leave that for them.
Yes.
When you get there, whether caution or whether they
guy
you or whatever.
Many now baby la de na pontina me hu atade fefefe what I share na yes my share military atade there.
I've been cautioned on the road before. Your t-shirt be a t-shirt or model.
Yes, minimum
t-shirt. Minimum ordinarily. I just saw it now. So we the envelope me turn and me share. If I on the game parade, I was stopped.
Barracks is here. I don't know much.
I was stopped, and they ensured that me atade na omo. They didn't care whether I would be what.
Military for no by looking at the way it is structured, they know that way the sewing and the
okay, all right.
You know,
Eric will be become
the police now to as a citizen there. I was so na meeting in Kasemu now say just last week here now.
Last week.
After say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama a corner pro boy in Ashanti region. I'm so free the next week in Anna police administration in Ashanti region at Tonensa at the first section of Ashanti regional executive say Obaya no mokwa pro bono atade ane bi mu hye no omususu say any soldier for atade akose and ye free omo. I think the matter is still pending there on more investigations there. But Salam, I thought that police for na e wo ho no. Ye nyina ye nua no ne yi mako and ya bo mo no say ye nso but the politicians no. Ade ba ko police for no e wo so mu hu ni say party e be ba ko until say police ni be ko retirement and you be there. And he said Salam e call na pro bono a month ago and son ABI a koya pro boy in Ashanti region. Na Salam ko share sa atade ne de nanti anye bone anya ade bi e wo se to yen safre ne tutuna.
Dem wo share ne ato safre.
Wo dem meba. Uti argument na no ye na it is presumed say NDC for be kra na shasi because ya free NDC for in Ashanti region. That is what he said. No, but he said it from the horse's own mouth. So the person me say no one is above the law. If indeed police say or a neutral body for the country, na obi ya de no say ha no de hwe ponefa. And what's the NDC for crown a Badwam Mpensenpensemu na Salam Shebi. Okay. Because there's a clear you can say case study. Okay, say your brand no was swam ya okoke kan sem bi na police for issue communicate ya national organizer and deputy general secretary mu na kokuma se na ekofa na de na command police ya mani dem ya court and so mu twa na remind kakra okay so the matter is pending in court at the same time ya will be a no ya former constituency chairman in Ashanti region na work can dangerous things than the boy ne keka na Mary keje na me petition police ya be seen no reply
on that petition.
Yes, no reply. Until the omo ye no, it is as if you say, and the quaning can die to because a quanetin, and that is very bad. Oh yes, Anna, damper ye movie because a internet is a cosmetic job no way. Baby any power per fans, say some politicians. Apply the laws equally. Until you say ya kwa kopa NDC for bu Ashanti region e bi mu because you say you near Salam so shebi. Oh yeah, sir. But you man peri nim. So Salam, you have to go. Whether so being a reporter, when you been a reporter, you can now you and that is all because they said they all can designer when we are quite sharp. True. That is it.
So they should educate us.
And those are the things they don't do it.
I don't remember.
And now to got two police for no the uniform to be a bar. Some be near the other. Your mom them son was somewhere. No, you see, they are also doing a lot of things are public. No, I'm a fear be a near woman. Aja kane na me wo me krum suma say yete say soldier kai betwem akoboda no so ha. And kwala ni na ni edwane because it's through soldier for. Me wa. But then the mode of recruitment, Crentino, who so Jenny announced it. Utimishi will be need to ne so channel, Nesano. Now, you say. It's about time that we just set it up as a country. Near a partisan interest. That is what is killing us.
I think information kakra. Time I make call apropos in the Upper West. I think it was few days after
Kumasi John incident.
Okay. Yes, so it is not the case.
After say
yes, and also say Yebekono on that tangent now. Me who minia Madam for Sam George. Oshe who need now? We say we dey as a soldier nipa.
And we free afa come.
Baby, me. I don't fancy sir in your man say, oh, me petition against we any, because we're being tea, Kochi we. Me Pablo, when youth organizer, what share poster or the year the campaign now or share as a camu maybe. But in yes, we say petition say, Pablo so mon friend. It will be an exercise in absurdity. Whoa, it will be an exercise in absurdity and senior Canada dano and yebeko ho na yani penyefo na kwesi nkonya na my explanation mo say enya military camp na we dey pure coordinator dey bia guy matter amashe and it has nothing to do with
okay, so Eric, why is our former president coming back to explain the all die be die? Why?
Mine, maybe His Excellency will be a Machan, Minister of Eastern Regional or Bonapro. Na Enravia, and it is more feedy any other stations. I can't see Miss Minuan and a B. The petition being so called CID, I catch say Rajon Mahamane. Resi Dunketia. And so can Simbia, Susu say, a summer and also bit me do ye nearby. And Untino, a home being as a police for be from so to 2 months. It's media mesha. And we at some point in Tiana, as some now, or more can also can be. Because I know, say, His Excellency are very active on social media. I ban in near my Kosovo. If you didn't think so, I'm very much updated. Salamunya the petition okay.
Oh, petition eko. Eko pa ye trying to police for.
You see,
anything for the active.
The third petition now on the corner, a very useless petition.
And the third petition was what they call against by and say useless.
Maybe Wadaruma. Winim Wadaruma.
And say useless.
Wadaruma. As maybe Wadaruma because maybe train. Maybe see common no. A solution to a situation be it reoccurs when we are getting to elections all the time.
Say young can say the solution here.
Debbie, who say
you get my after said my no obetimasi salams we are better than this.
Okay,
and I walk around one tia for better. So the petition is very useless. The anti-America's petition is quite useless because of the petitioner. So if the petition is useless, the petitioner is also useless. You know the reason why? Yes, he who comes with equity.
I think so. No way.
He who comes with equity.
Attack Debbie. You attack the
message.
You see,
useless.
You see,
Debbie, but we should not entertain.
You see,
Debbie, hold on.
I have my justification. Let me go. If I'm wrong, let me retract.
Debbie.
Oh, and I being a petitioner.
Debbie, yes, sir. Kenya a solution to the problem we have.
Useless
to that issue, no.
Okay.
Then you tie all of us our hands. There's a petition before the Ghana Police Service.
Yes.
What
because the petition is incompetent and
we have so many ways that we have to kill it.
But to me,
that's a useless petition.
The petition is very useless.
No, me say. I don't know one person you be doing common.
That is the topic.
No, but obi in churokrata emrewu erikeji emoniti mboman kanche say krata na wacho nyina yem
based on my assessment krata no useless menka say me place value on it.
The person cannot be
you
useless.
get why I'm saying the said
you
position.
have a better way of expressing.
You see, me the kind go to one maximum of equity. Minim nipa no throw petition. Yen na bi national organizer. And I'm saying he who comes with equity must comes with what? Clean hands.
The clean hands coming into.
So the petition is useless as the petitioner because we are journalists from multimedia fraternity, right?
Once again.
Maybe senior. Respectfully,
healthy for
very healthy because of multimedia platform, and I know debate maybe.
I didn't know person say
good. Denti America say say you multimedia Adom na TCC. E to dana obi eni bedwemu a. Sorry, ekusi senya. Me nua kwabna sante na tinim.
Yeah.
Nana Boachi ene wenya the guts to petition the CID say amanfo nkasaye o maka no. E ho nte no. E wo ekusi sen. Nana Boachi ni me nua pani Sameje Mfiti studio. O assorte ne physical to ne saboniti. No ne. One videos ni bi. So over the locus to talk of say no ne hands ye clean. He who calling for equity no no clean hands or deep petition echo police CID say yem free be interrogating no. Meanwhile you assaulted somebody at your offense. Should I get you the video na monko omombo ni sisi ya? No, meba. Let me salam makasa acho me kasa minim dia meka. Mr. Tikasa 2011. Different age. No meba. No, I'm saying good. Meba and I'm saying meba na say me no bi anya kalawa. So let me talk. You talk.
Kasa crowd
yes. And then I make so he should allow me to talk. You get my analysis well.
Okay, so me too.
And I'm saying he who comes with equity.
Calls for equity, no, comes with a
clean hands. But when you assaulted someone with the same multimedia platform, metesone. Assault. Is it criminal offense? And I say just evil. And you are telling me say was saying Sameje Mfi petition. Is Nana Boachi not a lawyer? Am I in your best studio debate tension bania there? What was the matter in Sada? You jina my MP abonten no be ntun nsa mo obi sisi there. One now okobo obi sutro studio no. You have the guts reporting will be verbal comment to say asem na nipa na ka no ya de betimi create tension. It is a salam kra na de call ya. I may never classify the petitioner to be useless because on acting in the contrary. I feel the what must say.
There's no justice.
No. Meba. Salam. Oh, Salam. Meba. Me na kwabena na me ni dey community for. O man say the one with the anti am free that angle neba. We are talking of equity here. Any clean hands. So granted, say Makan no petition there that no sit. And then na call for this petition. Say Nana Boachi pa on. The obey bia onye. Hwehwe another tips enka ho. Diaba na ye kan say MPP for amenu salam ka ho. Ekodi Easter okwo. Na anije bros wonti. Me de kra de party for no bebre na kasa na mpese na me hu ni say enye issue because me ma adwen ni say bia na adwen omo da ye na anije ne dodo omo nom ye ne no na reflect ye ba bebre so mfa ne sa. Me de sa na me fa no. Say bia na somewhere intoxicated. Inti kasa na no mo kana no pa no. Na ye ye kan say utwa bi na de eche
enije mo so ana hangover na waka
the hangover na me pesa me kan e bia na hangover kasa na brian kan but yankofo no bi sinya sa no mo no enti oma petition police yadi and there was a MPP 40 ase ni say nipa na ye kan asem ne no say ya kwabena sante na ye first time offender na bibia si no ho ne ye kan because kwabena de onye obi o ye harmful to the system onye treacherous because kwabena minim no we ni free media mu kwotena bonten na no nye den na oye ne meboa but the person na Ghana for can asem ne no our track recorder enya de papa. What is the track record? Amahene abato ba so aya waso ye to abani wie ne ye prepare nipa na mampani akasa power commission se ye ntenase ne conducted thorough investigation into the cause of what happened meboa You're afraid the then National Security Minister in charge of state, Ura Brian Champon. You're afraid your papa Canada Park or Tutun and Kandapa. I think Interior and Bruderi was also called. You're afraid some police personnel. And conform Mukoshi, you be a assembly you go Brian Champon. So, and he clearly admitted it. Say on a sanction the operation of those guys, those career predators, those I classify to be criminals. You're perpetrating crime through the security agencies and your money netisa. So at the end of the day, report in the bayano, you indicted Brian Champon. Eka say yen pe bibi yen twe na so cry in the said report. Badwam Mpensenpensemu because of boabo nintino. Be sinne there's no proper sanction and no dem Brian Champon. Enti Brian afa ne ho adi, wa ye ba ko ya anye ne hwe. Ye yi ni fra ban mu a ye de ne kotena opposition wa ban no mu apɛ na ɔte atuate dom kora mrahye bedwafie na ɔkɔhye mrahye bedwafo bi achi and ye sorry ti akenofo riata who doesn't know. Enti a man post in there no wa ba ban mu ba
how do you feel
maka
because we need dance
minim
enti nyina so ni ho
me say ɔte atua wa ban mu sɛ ɔni na 83 ministers no na ɔyɛ mu convenient on na ɔhye ɔmo ase we know okay me ye free ho ba ɔno yes ɔman eti yedo by Kwansima as a minister ye be confirm okra contention by even my own party after say endorse you
me contention because your party
me see even my own party your party decision your MPs e flout here me better I condemn them I know that eti ohwe circumstances e fast ones our endorsements po ne bana wo su ne ban bi ani pasusu senya let them see you in a different way. So as a sector minister okasa cry policy statement as at today no. The first thing anka when you this podium was to address Ghana for no. And then Ghana for soon prices of goods and services. It was a powerful platform for you to say, now I am your Minister of Agriculture, Ghana.
I don't know about you.
What I mean by me chance I didn't back 14. Until I make a me dana to me die man. Enti me mabano. Me bad near my betu to ye. I'm a Ghana for nipa esu aduane ho ne de keka planting for food and job fertilizer na ba chen aduane aye hu aduane ye de niema begu akwam. Those are the things I don't expect. But you are telling me say some of the words I don't want to repeat them here. NDC for ye say ya NDC for ye say ya sebe mamenka we no omo de nkwase asemba o man a minister of state ye de me no tax tuaneka na anu ada yakọ pass 3 new taxes ye betete di bi atua na ka di bi atofa nwama no se bi mu de nkwase asemba na ndisi for na okan asem ye ntua 11 bi won taxes ahodo na ye tua na omo di develop your man we are not Ghanaians, right? The comment ni wrong. So mo party leadership na ni yesusu senka mo betimi akondem no some so ye senior bi because Bawumia was there clearly vice president. He also endorsed the true words of Brian Champon, recklessness now on the said platform. Because after he spoke, Senaka Sana or Kaya in your mother, and they condemn it. Me near JFK Betna, this very studio, file a proper defense, Emma de Wekayano. And Nanabuachi or no Sotron or Bonnie studio, and also the petition court. Say, Yen Fru be entotonano. So what I am saying today is that they can add more petitions to what we sent. But the issue in said Brian Champon na akofa ahwede abafi e na once na yede aba nti mo am start equalization debate and na we can say nye ho na ewo se ne nke be ka se mire bi atwam obi ka se enkofa wo mafuno.
But are you not worried say you be call elections na sa neoma we na ACCCC? Are you worried? Are you not worried?
I am worried. And that is
why do you want to go on this tangent?
Why am I go on that tangent?
Say onu abano. A solution to count down to your elections no. Some of these unwanted, unneeded, and reckless.
Hope a solution.
Once we want a solution, we need to just get what to actually say, you know. Then we get a solution. Bibusa say, we are worried. Say, yeah, but tuaba. They encourage and then see what you say, and then see what you say. How do we get away from some of these things? It could be one of the reasons. MCA one a fight me when you partner say Omujina house na amaye yakika no kwana ejaba mu more. I feel the jana beba more. How do we solve this problem? That's what I want us to look at.
My no say enranajo. And
2022 country report on human rights practices Ghana. Okay.
United States Department on report. On my so can report we na enranajo me kan ina sameda. So what kind of report we are? Ghana problem ni na. I didn't know mon capture. To trust somewhere cause of human rights ATT so. Nipa yikumamu in 2020 election. Everything is captured in this report. Abranti ya police foku kum ne nkranza ya okay. The energy kum etwe ho amanso. Everything is captured here. And those are the things that me trigger something in this country. You need those in charge. Over the composition of the national security architecture now. The president is the head. Briefing Ben Mampenini in this country. So the president is not aware say ye kwato last election now. It took kankofobi mo ayewu ye ne section of Ghanaians are almost still in pains. Is he not aware? Has he commented about it? Am I here? And you think where we are going, you know, ye be usual and a political election, you know, I'm sure you can say yeah, a bit resistance. And I'm saying why not cover with Yaba now you can say.
Me say who say wadarma ade a me pay na anapamu ina mo pese mo ye no.
Emu de here.
Endimi me enko ye nimu da. I remember the definitions the likes of Honorable Sohini and the Sam Jata George gave to a clear language that was not conducive for Ghana, that came from our former president. They gave a lot of definitions to those things. And what can I say? It will be enthusiasm, not with any intent. Only President John Dramani Man, because maybe I will die, no. But how do we limit those utterances? Because you cheat phone, Eric. The crap is a cheat phone, what the almost some say,
that is how it is.
Yeah. So how do we limit those pressures?
They are calling for this debate in Brian Champon. It is a open say utu adenasia. The cause of it, you condemn it. By our journalists in this country, I'm not saying you, me mobi. No, you not cross. Yes, there was some journalists in this country. Yeah. Oh, me mobi. So there, me oya meka. My kakra me free waka. Ananopa, na me sheba ku YouTube. Ono no minim so okoye linguistics no ye ne de ne wo Iraq, ne Afghanistan there. And ono no afa Brian sem no. Journalists for here, they are to board so the MPP for journalists, yeah. Or mothers to host to show, or more board members for Abemono. And no check us no kind of bonny be any. We must make catch them. So politicians, your reckless statements now you making no. A jibuma, ye name sofu, so names are ye name journalists, ye name sorry ba. And yeah, ye be brepa, yeah, ye popular. Because Kwabna Santufa baby on to me for they know you. Salam for baby, ubi any so a national youth organizer, ubi any Eric J. Mehena mefa. Huh? So thought that some statements, you know, ye na same sia, ye ne be breno, ye ne was and adwene and was that is it. Because I me no can say, me tikruma, e bia me japade nyina ne mobile phone ne baby ameda. But there's a perception, sir, aside politics, no, Brian Champon is a business person, right? Sir, on hotels, nice hotels. Into me betena na me catch say Ghana for say, ura no. Ni trim hu ye moja mpanitim sebe o de me ba sebe moja mpanitim nti mamu patronize ni hotel no because adwena we ni tim onye foreign communities diplomatic communities investors mun hwe ye na man patronize ade a woye because na nkasa ebetimi de oye na aba anase if there's political instability today o ka so obetimi abe press e wo de na ye multimedia you are even running not your asset
okay so
it you thought that who do some level in life you measure your language.
Okay.
So whether President Mahama said this, Esiedun Ketia said this, they are trigger debate in there. Brian Champon inim na bako sem say he never regretted of what happened at Ayawaso. Because upon the see Ayawaso so or show remorseful. And Kokokan some krebe hu say yes or you be a sebe ebia nije mroso obi anase euphoria bi ne create sakasa na man kai but okay. This is the case na nabo asho no boss throw studio so wa throw petition so the CID
okay
na bi me chia quadri draw kra na wo nim de oye
salam
omahene I think it's appropriate to say machiao
yes some of them na business
machia be me Eric J so se mampenyi dada John Dramani Mahama ebe twa ne kasa no asanya on kana sa say o trasan na ya fan asem no from that angle na ye di nkomo no.
Also, it has been twisted by his political opponents. Mr. Mahama said his comments were not intended to incite violence in the 2024 general elections, according to him. He only meant that the 2024 polls is crucial for the NDC and the party will not joke with it. So clearly, he's explaining himself.
It is way no pa atro. Any nyachum. Adiano aben mini omono. Se se omo dwane fi. Omayene. Obi said do or die. Ye nyina ye wo oman we mu. Ye nti ase ana. Na omampanyin da eka do or die no. Na a Bible quotation. And okotu akire ne chitafo na na. Na a Bible quotation. Okadi si asem so. Say 2024 election ni di omo nko no sa. Ombeko no boot for boot. Ebe do or die. Na honorable Brian the champion eyi wano a na say mo madwane e di a useless petition e di akọ headquarters of CID say yemfrɛ honorable Brian the champion embisa nasem debi ye pere yo John Dramani Mahama also come and explain kasa kwa a NDC for or my specialize in time bia omo threaten obia. The peace of this country has to be threatened because NDC has to win election. Nobody will sit down for that to continue to happen. Nipa ba konkwa na kasa e MPP mo honorable by na champion. And NDC for esu mama ye omuti kwa pai. What did Brian say? So wrong and offensive. Or say omone ye omadwen say because of the global economic crisis they feel say momentum is on their side. They would win the next election and they better think because the NPP is getting grasp of the economic situation in this country. Into a shame crying. Say we'll go ahead to win the next election. And win election. No. We'll do it. The same thing I see a chairman on the day he was inducted into office at the Accra Sports Stadium. Into Modiamoka, it's okay, but we can be and the moment into. You see, Omayene, and this is for Mitomasepa, Minia Erika Janum. They have never seen conflict. They have never seen bloodshed. It is Omoka, Tres na Omokano kwa. Look, as a young person growing up in the north, I saw the Konkumba conflict. Menim, and I bu nipa ekumno. Bu pa ye di sini patiso. Oppressor. For many parts of my formative years, now in me fear kwai. Anytime I pass that road, I remember the exact spot I say me see here. So when they get up and there will be violence, there will be chaos because say we need elections here. The MPP has track record. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo lost elections in this country by the slimmest of margin, 23,000 votes. When he had 49.7%, now just 23,000 votes. Now across 50 plus 1. When our supporters in 2012 say and they gathered at Obra Sport because we felt that NDC rigi 2012 elections. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Esma, your former chairman, Nyamefane Krampensie, Jacob Bichebilamte, say, Monko disperse one. Namon say, ye court, the assembly equal dine court. And that was what happened. I'm sure okay. And no NMA MPP supporters, a fee of Brasport, eco fee, and I had equal dine court. At the end of the day, the 2016 election was one of the most cleanest because of the reforms ye pushy. Inti party ewa adwen You don't come and threaten us. I want answer. You find a way to present your case, like the MPP has always done. But don't come and tell us time here say, "Mo the man winning election now, mo jabe shegu, we be say, ye be she." Omo national organizer Joseph Yami say on ye, who say 2024 election, war.
Okay, wait a minute.
Oh, it's on Ghana web. And yesterday, one of my sister station.
Are you sure?
Yes, I listened to him yesterday myself on
war.
I think City. Yes.
Oh, so you have the video
on City Prince and
it's war.
Yes, it's there. It's on Ghana web, but he has not disclaimed.
Salam, are you sure that's what the man said?
Make me yachra. He said it.
Well, I know what he normally says. It's not going to be an easy battle.
Baby,
but a
it
war.
is quoted. Yes, I see the
2024 election as war.
And I mean, President, yes, sure.
And Mr. Indra, Mitieno, Ewo, Oni Umaru Sanda on City one
and said that 2024 is war.
He implied, say, and there'll be.
It's the ones that implied text.
Baby, never. Any day I'm kind of who were so and America.
Okay.
But in essence, he was saying the same things. And you know, if people have to die for democracy in this country, and then
die for democracy.
I said,
Yamin.
Yes.
If people have to die.
Only Umar Sanda. Mr. Ndranju, in fact, I'm say weak voice, feeble submission. Nani papa or Kasana was a hundred cry Kasana. What you are saying. Look, let's never take the peace we are enjoying in this country for granted. Let's never take it for granted. Many citizenship of any other country, many permanent residents or baby Ghana kwana me o. That's why we should be careful. You are not kasa. Don't come and tell me say national executives they are militants. They are dying. You are coming with a mindset of war for an election that abatuo enye abobotuo. And I think that the former president should come and properly apologize to the Ghanaian people, because maybe say Erika J ena ebeka kasakwa enya problem o penyin no pia bonten a nia nkwala na ka a enya no na wa be prapresi asema nkwala na ka no nti se menia Erika J etoto sa kowas no egum a I don't expect obia in the caliber of a president, a former president, would say the kind of things are all kind that in the ordinary film no, because we won't say asema me kind no man can ye is bad, shameful into me Ghanaian film. Me Ghanaian film.
Is it that you want to equalize, and I feel say Brian's statement was uncalled for? And yet let us all now open a clean page or chapter. Brian
has a response. When na omakasani na eba before near Brian Kayan. Anebo. Omunyina kan wa asem na Brian Kennedy. Nebo.
Na da na one petition that.
Yep. Say munni abadaya will also show you same.
You understand? We are not solving the problem.
Of course. The hypocrisy is thinking. Huh? You people don't have monopoly over anything. I keep saying that the NDC doesn't own monopoly over buffoonery in this country.
Is that how the NDC is coming across?
Yes.
The NDC is saying that Marco Franco for Electoral Commission when you're comfortable. The NDC is saying that Ghana card numbers here they are not going in so they are for now. They are saying so. That's what they also. That's how they feel.
They should tell us. Obi Awako Electoral Commission out of money. They should point one person. John Dramani Mahama appointed the daughter of Alhaji Maida, former NDC regional chairman, a contestee for parliamentary primaries in Tamale. As a member of the commission, she recently retired.
Stop the lies.
It's not lies. Unima unim. No, Ade, ono oye Ghanaian chen ubiana. Is she more Ghanaian than somebody? Everybody deserves where the person is. Once you are a bona fide citizen of the country. I thought I mean NDC for.
But hold on.
Hold
on. I'm just getting a confirmation from my team. I see 2024 elections as a war.
Yes. So my chantro.
I have to credit XYZ online.
I picked it from Ghana Web.
Ooh.
You expect us to come and sit and applaud them? Huh? NKJ, Minia.
What does it mean?
So I didn't attention, but I mean, no, you're fire.
Any Saka Kwano, Munjai.
By really what by if you have with you, the Mpensenpensemu we cry.
Munjai, Joseph Yamin, MP,
with you.
You see, let's stop these things. Okay, we have a beautiful country to build. We disagree on policy. Say, yeah, center left, we're center right. But at the end of the day, no, we are going to the same destination. And Joseph Yamin, no, this motivation, every kasa fin John Mahama, no, what dimu akotini from time from China
cannot I know, sir. Be measured.
It is so. The person can say, Eric, Casakwana, the one who go out. Yeah.
In the heat of the 20,
the levels of church,
maybe at least
continue. Oh yeah, that one.
Me do come Kruma. In the heat of the 2020 election, former president, I said, "One no kasa any day." Nah, you know, Uma Asunjwe Embrem, a bus system no debi. Also, NDC, a revolutionary background, and a ban on unleashing violence that OBNP BT NDC. This country has been generous, has been blissful to one person, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Position BIA or Maiha, Wedibi, Assemblyman, MP, Deputy Minister, Vice President, President. Still was sorry, Opposition President, one person. If there's any bliss one country can give to one person, yeah, they are John Dramani Mahama. But or feel say enyo onwa o man we the engu myself my before mindset NDC for 10 bia so enyo mo no ma ban mu and the man no engu to what benefit only God knows.
Okay,
I think that it is proper. Say the former president would do a proper recount of the West. Say Mikael, but man can ye. If you remember, I'm sure okay because me Judy pa. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. He came and apologized for the all die be die.
Yeah, that was on Bole's show, right?
Yes. In 2013. So, it's the mark of every good leader. Oh, sometimes admit to yourself, say, oh, maybe me can't be with the benefit of hindsight. Now you say me can't say. And that's expect what me as a young person, in this country, Bebunu, me shishe su any bang or man paying that be daddy. And if he wants us to take him any serious at all, he should show us that he doesn't portend danger for this country, and rather he would wish to see that young people in this country thrive and live in a country of peace and harmony, tranquility, and excel.
So
and compete on the global scale with the rest of the world.
Amisco Spelele Elka so say Eric Minkanjo say this time no mama maninko collision point on no.
What you collect results are most of
and I'm a quality.
Come on, so say Erica J. Ewahanum say Sansuna Mustafa Salam so Ewahanum say Ghana and come on the next 12 minutes. Ebe page Ewahanum say Akwanya Oma then was when you want our team Edin Kita Kama. It's a happy birthday, Joanna Samantha Asempa. Happy birthday, Sunko Enko Enfama. Namenka said this weekend, Saturday, Kumasi. Yanko Tai Dr. Benasantechi, a brand new paying or Katenechi, or Asante Mantema Squad to be precise. Dr. Benasante, Onijuansa, or Yoko Clan, Munina shedding, and Alfie Yako Kasiepa. Eric, not as well one quick week. Yeah,
the report, and number be 2020 country report on human rights. I think we'll call section 1 of the report, paragraph 4. Or say, during 2020 election period.
What's the source?
Open messenger.
So we report to an MC Kasa about LGBTQ, so mobile power.
20. Or say, paragraph 4 of section 1 of the said report. Or say, during 2020 election period, authorities, media, and observers reported as many as 8 killings, with at least 2 killed by National Election Security Task Force, composed of military and police units, and at least 2 deaths from civilian violence. Investigation into the deaths remain pending, with little progress 2 years after the incident occurred. And now, I'm going to buy into brackets, and I'm going to say, see section 3 of the said report, freedom to participate in political process. Why are the Americans saying so? Why are we doing debate here and not? Because there's a clear precedent, even US for not citing the said report. Yeah, Ghana for Ankasa Sunim they see about to Mukoye. Kwanya inhumane treatment at demand nipa eni mesi be sinne mampeni sebe as a penny nifi. Oman, can you tell me say after say you kunkum for a battle mampeni waka ho asem da watwete wo ho da but obi wu abrochire abranti ya tourism ministry kwaji na yi be a friend say bibini ya emi an kon George Floyd. Oh, yeah, 2 seconds. Amana mampeni atwete African life matter. Oti kroma. Mampeni e upedi nti citizens ye kum nipa. Besi nne wonka ho hwe. And there's no progress report. And now me know kase ye next election. Just last month or 3 weeks ago, the debater and a matter na went into contention. Appointment at the electoral commission. Yeah, me nua Salam Huni say perfect, they deserve it. But Salam one day to me best na sameje mfine easy chair. Inti no sorry no what da preko. Sana obeyesa. So certain things
appointee Charlotte Ose as Obi Anka Bibias. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, Charlotte Ose declare election Emma new patriotic party. Okay.
Money
want to collective results are different though. Because we have collation of results.
Okay.
Now,
Salam, Eric, you okay.
Thank you. Omayene, it's ushe enema ni sune ba na abani pushre na nkasa na abani adani huruye moja ampaniti. Because
so okay, very little about these things.
Yes, they show because I would make a non-MPP activist. To say Salam. So no election na ye kwa ihe neutral minds because NDC and MPP no be anyi ne honi no. Yempe obi obegina mfimfini ebegina di se or the results be by ebeji atuma wo so party ni na nkotena ho. Na wi anu wa be kan kire se kwan bia so no ye nya atumi fa NDC. Die nso na ogina ho kaza. Ana munim se ya na yenwene.
Ebetima mo adwene se.
Enye se ebetumi wo ye badwen ma sa na wo se wo dwene. Ana no wi ye badwen ma. Meboa
ba ebetima mo adwene se.
Enye ebetumi ni free o ma meni baby a wo free o. Obe se o kire me se ye beto aba nne. Na John Mahama ne Uri Alaji Baomi na ala nkwadwo twere mancha na wa nipa Canada Japan. Ne ese me make an electoral commission nipa nson no ho a
be dey say meju wedi say
that is it and a rational human being thinking no but there was some elements in the system the ye can be adwene ne mfa ho eno nti na nra peace council kasa obi pani so for pani mu bi frame nra chief mechia was up masempa for say dem kan na ye ne de bedu baby na me ya abo ho chi dodo and am say papa ya nka ne sa because ya na ye mo asore ma no ye be bo Easter for ye buy card de Sunday me for ye say ye hia me say memra ya na ye fundraising ana me boa enti say nipa na ye de enye na so wonfe wo senka nokre be ye kwabena sante de wo beka ye Dominicisi ye bo a wontumi nka na wo ya amanyame kra anyame som no usi na twetwe because ye deputy apia hene ko electoral commission won't say peace council akasa but peace council ya mamom ra the peace councils act is it act 818 or so 2011 under Professor Mills and ya pass the amamo e wo se mo hwema ede asundwe ni periperi ye beba ho asem na modeka be sin ne asori pani bi anka ho asem na ye to abawie na obi so accept results na Roman so for e wo ma sheka sok na Pentecost for bobo tie na yin e ko ba ko aka chi se ye ko kasa akire ne so ma asundwe mra e wo Roma ya tra ho enti ade ne sha se ayenye no you act ye to abawie ya pinchen kakra bi ba ye no uni ya no mo san light tintin ko president mama office for cantonment ye yi Peter apia hene na ye complaining what is o ma frame ampani ekufu ado say why ye bi eye na wo suban ya time what is o maka na ye nkonkoto abawie na obi si because of sune ban am de na dinti no mo anhwe yi a ye nya de ye hwehwa na obi aba say ye be pa chew o man eto da eye o
nko akoma to yem ndi suggest to them
any suggestion kura they know nanti kwabena santi de baby e wadri pa na hu papa na wa hu enye bone enye bone and people are okay with this quickly Brian Asamba ya kasa na mo di statement aba and this name people no mo hwe mo kasa ye dey na after discussion aba condemn what Brian Champon said.
Okay.
But and then San Nebeba meba we dey see. O my and San Nebeba me chia o so free that you dey me call na sorry. Apostle Selassie me chia na no pay. Unim sa so for America o masem peace council ne na Muslimin for akase nipa o mo ye titire okroma o. And then 90% board members wa ban we institutions. International Cathedral near any secretariat near the half of Koguso. Why ye na obekwa Prophet Kusi Boateng na yire na ye board chair. Say get fan na obekwa so for penny we a board member. Enti ya keka omu nyina no atomu mako dia wa appointees. And a journalist na mo ka bi eduru akiri so ye ba na atwen half ayo omu board members. So
that board
so decline one.
Me am that board so
senti na otimi kawaz. What's otimi kawaz? Enti omu je board membership ni nyina Paula do mo kire mo. Me say Paula do mo kire say uja. Obetimi defend say Yesu anwu. And the MP. Oh yes. Defensible. Onya an appointment ni ade be no ntimi defend.
He has always been that like that.
Dabi. Me say Paul. Ojeje Paula. Yesu ya owu ya wa sorry. Obeka se wanwu. Or the experiment so be kire because na na president.
I think say ye pese o man we.
Now call no fate.
I was in enough about
tension. You have the man, you have the other among for Monko.
Maybe. You back up.
Mon for Monko, ni pebe. Was a dangerous.
Okay, so Dr. Dakwasi for we Mamba Salam. Dr.
Dakwana.
Or Amanon interesting for about.
I am PP and NDC.
There be on the gun and Yana committee, Wangasa.
Doc makes
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is one of only two people who occupy the most enviable position in the country. And that's the position of former presidents. So I would rather advise that he tries his best to be a bit more circumspect with whatever comes out of his mouth. Okay, remember over 6 million Ghanaians voted for him in the last election. So he tells you how powerful John Dramani Mahama is. This one also says, His Excellency John Mahama is one of the only two people who occupy the most enviable. So I would rather advise he continues. As for the usual warmongering between NDC and MPP, let's leave them because it is not going to end today or tomorrow. And we better brace for more of those. Doc also the other about
Oh my God, come out. But Salaminian, yes, so Okasa, I say, what none of we won't quite and near my facility. nti catch bra champion say men na ye hia omo oboko eho the way an yeme ko no say mu nyina mo ko ho
Boko is under control.
Enye under control sir.
Oh, but Boko say bad
green we nya this man we mo salam amini ho pa me na ho be 3 days there be ye nya so you have the men mo ko we need be start and I'm salam
rabba by
you have the men am for guru boy
Omahini Hajas Sadat Chumaida was appointed as a member of the Electoral Commission under the NDC.
Was it 9 days?
She contested.
She
contested for the PC of then Gotebu Sabunjida constituency in 2000. Wunima, and one party makes our party. Go and learn. Hajas Sadat Chumaida, the father, Alhaji Maida was NDC.
Oh, you're fasting.
And so winning. And then this no cry because when she won't. So, but yeah, appointing Obianke Bibiao because she is a bona fide Ghanaian. But Oye Nejuma senior na SSA onye. But Peter de on the Onyenipa. They are appointing our process here the Onyenipa because of MPP of Mali. They deserve it because they are also Ghanaians.
Salam to me Sandy.
Oh,
salam pa to me na say do see brain and once and a man for man.
Secondly, Omahini.
Salam. Kai wechiu.
Mani kasa.
Kai be
Ofrebono. Sir, winning Ali Maiga.
Yeah, Ali Maiga. Yeah.
What happened in his constituency?
Then of course.
The Olusu city no.
Yes. In the last
mini papa.
Yes. Then of course.
Are you aware that he was attacked at
in the car.
You know somebody was killed there.
When you know.
That's true.
You
have power instead of you to conduct investigation.
So how come somebody was report like how come that life doesn't?
Let me be so question.
Now you think say
Salam.
MPP ni
yes. Salam. You
have the
man. Look.
Salam
Collins Dauda.
Salam.
To me. Look, my constituency youth organizer for a city visa. We share nsa machete I dey try nechi.
But Collins Dauda is a violent person. That's our wisdom point. We are so proud of him.
He has a brother called Merefini. You know him?
Why?
The kind of violence that they visit there, time beer about
Collins Dauda.
On the brother be. I forgot. You know, he's one of the best people we have in this country.
Salam.
I don't know. Omahini.
Omahini, salam assistant.
Let's start a new course for the benefit of the country.
Construction. Alexis for the good work for Brown. One of the finest, youngest contractors, Alexis Construction. It we are offered here.
Have the
best of the day. Bye bye.